Hello, and welcome to another brief video lesson on catalogs, understanding the rectilinear catalog for double stars. Many systems in the Washington double star catalog have shown significant relative motion since their discovery. The catalog of rectilinear elements provides linear fits for those systems whose motion does not appear Keplerian or orbital. Keplerian equals orbital. While a few of these may in fact be very long period physical pairs whose orbital motion is not yet apparent, most are probably optical pairs and just passing in the night, if you will. The linear fits then just describe this relative proper motion between the stars. So the purpose of the catalog is threefold. The well-defined motions of some of these systems mean they could be useful scale calibrations for imaging systems. The differential proper motions allow the Navy to improve upon proper motions of individual components. And finally, the linear fits, especially in comparison with Hipparcos proper motions, may be useful in searches for submotions due to closer components. Located in the WDS, if you do a Google search for Washington double star catalog, you'll see this menu. And where it says Lin 1, you'll find the catalog of rectilinear elements. Going inside of this catalog, down here, the main catalog, that's the link to get inside, you will find the following layout. Much like the 6th orbital catalog, this has the J2000 coordinates and its WDS designation, the discoverer codes, other catalogs this is found in, for example, here the Henry Draper, the Hipparcos, or the Tychus catalog, the magnitudes of the system, any proper motions associated with the system, and then the linear elements are listed here. 6 orbital catalog placed orbital elements there. The theta and rho of the pair, the constantly changing angle and separation is listed, and then a grade, notes, figures, and ephemeris and reference. An ephemeris, again, is a future prediction based on what we know today of where a star will be at some point in the future. Here's what a linear plot looks like. It's laid out much like the 6th orbital catalog. The WDS identifier is here. The discoverer code is here. The bibliographic reference is here. The typical north and east orientation for double stars is listed. And then you have an arrow which shows the relative motion of this particular system. These figures are provided for each system in the linear catalog. They include all the measures in the WDS for that given star system. They are color-coded as in the orbit catalog, green, blue, and purple indicating micrometric or eyepiece type measurements, interferometric, and photographic measures as in the orbital catalog. The red H and T are the Hipparcos and Tychus catalog measurements, just the same as you saw in the 6th orbital catalog. For those pairs with 2 sets of proper motions, the WDS, a red line indicates the differential motion predicted by these values. Lengths of both the black and the red lines correspond to a range of dates, roughly corresponding to observation dates. So our primary is here, and the secondary has been making motions here, and all of these measurements have fallen along that line. Most of the green, the eyepiece measurements are here with one lying off the side. So any future work that you may perform may perhaps give another spot here, which would confirm the rectilinear nature or show that it is on par with what future predictions are showing. That is the rectilinear catalog. It's a very straightforward catalog showing the relative motion of 2 star systems, which are most likely non-Keplerian related, non-orbitally related. Thank you for viewing, and we look forward to seeing you in a future brief video lesson.